This is Deja with the Yarn Barn, and I'm going to teach you how to do a single crochet. All right, once you've got your chain stitches, you'll go 2 stitches away from your hook, insert your hook into the chain stitch, wrap around, pull through the chain stitch, and wrap around and pull through the 2 loops. So to do that again, you will insert into the chain, wrap around, pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. And then you'll pull through the 2 loops. And that is a finished single crochet.